The brace comes pre-assembled with the standard AMS wrap. A Hex Anti-migration wrap is available. Remove straps number 1 and number 5 from the brace. Remove the AMS wrap from the frame. Hex pieces can be removed to reduce pressure on the wound site. Place the AMS hex wrap onto the brace. Reinstall strap number 1. Reinstall strap number 5. Ensure the strap passes through the loop of the wrap. Fasten the wrap and straps. This will make it easier when fitting the brace next time and will prolong the life of the straps.